This video content produced by quantumblogger.com. Ion trapping technology Part 1. Introduction. Explanation of what ion trapping technology is and why it is an important area of research in quantum computing. How it works. Description of the basic principles of ion trapping technology and the physical process of trapping ions in a trap. Advantages. Explanation of the advantages of ion trapping technology, including its ability to achieve long coherence times and its scalability. Real-world applications. Discussion of potential real-world applications of ion trapping technology, such as quantum simulation and quantum cryptography. Challenges and limitations. A brief overview of the challenges and limitations of ion trapping technology, such as the need for precise control of the trap environment and the challenge of scaling up the technology. Ion trapping technology is a method of creating and manipulating quantum systems using trapped ions. In this technique, atoms are ionized, and the resulting charged ions are confined using electromagnetic fields. This allows scientists to control the motion of individual ions, and to perform precise measurements on them. Ion trapping is considered an important area of research in quantum computing because it allows for the creation of highly controlled and stable quantum systems. The ions can be easily manipulated and measured, which makes them a suitable platform for quantum computation and simulation. Additionally, ion trapping technology has the potential for scalability, making it a promising candidate for building large-scale quantum computers. One of the key advantages of ion trapping technology is the ability to achieve long coherence times, which is the time during which a quantum state can be maintained. This is crucial for quantum computation, as it allows for the execution of many quantum gates before errors occur. Ion traps also allow for the precise control of the environment, which is important for minimizing decoherence, the process by which a quantum system loses its coherence. Overall, ion trapping technology is an important area of research in quantum computing because it allows for the creation of highly controlled and stable quantum systems, which has the potential for scalability and for solving real-world problems that classical computers cannot do. How it works. Ion trapping technology works by using electromagnetic fields to trap ions in a vacuum chamber. The ions are first created by ionizing atoms, which can be done using various methods such as laser ablation or photoionization. Once the ions are created, they are confined using electromagnetic fields in a trap. The most common type of ion trap used in quantum computing is the Paul trap, which uses a combination of static and oscillating electric fields to confine ions. The static field is created by applying a voltage to a set of electrodes that form a quadrupole, while the oscillating field is created by applying a radio frequency, RF, voltage to another set of electrodes that are located at the center of the quadrupole. The static field creates a potential well in the center of the trap, which is where the ions are confined. The oscillating field creates a time-dependent potential that is used to control the motion of the ions. By adjusting the amplitude and phase of the RF voltage, scientists can control the motion of the ions and perform quantum gates. Once the ions are trapped and controlled, scientists can perform measurements on them by using lasers. The lasers are used to excite the ions' electronic levels, which causes them to emit photons. These photons can then be detected to obtain information about the state of the ions. In summary, ion trapping technology works by using electromagnetic fields to confine ions in a vacuum chamber. The Paul trap, which uses a combination of static and oscillating electric fields, is the most common type of ion trap used in quantum computing. Scientists can control the motion of the ions and perform quantum gates by adjusting the amplitude and phase of the RF voltage, and they can perform measurements on the ions by using lasers. Advantages. Long coherence times. Ion trapping technology allows for the creation of highly controlled and stable quantum systems, which leads to long coherence times. This is crucial for quantum computation, as it allows for the execution of many quantum gates before errors occur. Scalability. Ion trapping technology has the potential for scalability, which is important for building large-scale quantum computers. By increasing the number of ions in the trap, scientists can increase the number of qubits available for computation. High precision and control. Ion trapping technology allows for precise control of the environment, which is important for minimizing decoherence, the process by which a quantum system loses its coherence. Additionally, the ions can be easily manipulated and measured, which allows for high-precision quantum gates. Versatility. Ion trapping technology can be used to trap a variety of ions from the periodic table, which allows for the creation of different types of qubits with different properties. This allows for a diverse set of quantum computations to be performed. High level of integration. The components of an ion trap system can be integrated on a single chip, which leads to a compact and portable design. Easy to implement. Ion trap systems can be implemented using off-the-shelf components and laser systems, which can make it less expensive to build than superconducting quantum computers. Overall, the advantages of ion trapping technology, including its ability to achieve long coherence times, scalability, high precision and control, versatility, high level of integration and easy implementation, make it a promising platform for quantum computing and solving real-world problems that classical computers cannot do. Be sure to watch part 2 of this video covering the real-world applications. Thanks for watching.